Connects to the factory stereo harnesses when installing an aftermarket stereo. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connector, wire harness for aftermarket stereo installation with color-coded wires. EIA industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Top reviews from the United States. Great product to help DIY. It made my radio install a breeze, just match and clamp, and the wires look strong like they will last a long time.